tow. I don't know how well I can see it. It's really loud. Well, I just have to be a little teaser. A bit of a wind sail. Hey, sirs. No. He just wants me to open the window for him. Well, the wind noise is a lot better going this direction. Isn't it? Hey, Freddy. Yeah, that, just wait till you see this, sweetheart. First one I've ever actually seen in person. Not too far away now. We'll have a good look at this thing. Oh, Cyrus, that's... People don't like loud breathing in the camera. So I got a plan for this thing that's a little unusual. I don't know. I've never seen it done before. But I have something. And this little Fargo is going to be Hemi powered, let's just say. Right now. Hey! Tip my coffee over. Get out of here. Darn bulldogs. Hey? You're ridiculous. You're ridiculous. Yeah. Crazy dog. What's happening? What? Yeah, what do you think of that thing?
Come here, Freddy. Come here.
destination. First panel.
Sit. Sit down. Patty.
Excellent. Cool. Well, here she is unloaded. It's wonderful. Yeah. So yeah, next project. Hey, be a dog wagon. And all the dogs, hey? We're gonna have to take 2 trucks now and go places. Hey, Patty? Hey, buddy? Getting tired? Well, yeah, this is the 56 Fargo town panel. An old Borden's bread truck. I don't know, it says Winnipeg something. I'm gonna try sand the other side and see if I can get down to it, because this was hidden under black. You can tell they sanded and found it. But yeah, this beautiful color. But the front clip, somebody, I don't know, they sanded off the blue and put house paint. I thought it was a different front clip, but it's all originally that color too. So somebody sanded the front and, oh, there's a VIN on these trucks. I couldn't find it. So this thing is kind of interesting. It is sitting on a 82 Ram Charger chassis. I think this is a 360. I don't see a big balancer. I think that's a 360. 4-barrel. So it's a 360 4-wheel drive Ram Charger. You can see the motor seized. They had it covered up, but the bag deteriorated to nothing and moisture got in. And, well, we're gonna pour diesel down it. Try and bust it free. But I'm not too worried about that motor or any of this. I'm not really interested in a half-ton 4x4. I would have looked for one of these factory ones then that was 4x4. But look at how good a shape this thing's in. Other than the fact that they hacked the entire floor out of it to do this Ram Charger swap and the firewall. But this is exactly why I bought this thing. It's been for sale for 3 years because of this. Nobody wanted to deal with this. I'm dumb enough. Right here. This looks like it was already my project. It's perfect. So the reason I think this is so perfect is because this just so happens to be the identical wheelbase to this. See that? Yeah. Same wheelbase. My plan is to just cut away, basically leave the rocker panels. Well, the inner rocker panel. And leave the rest. And then just set that panel right on top of here. Weld the two together and we're done, right? Easy as could be. So yeah, this was a Jeep that was in a little bit of a wreck. There's a buddy of mine, check out that. Just shattered brake rotor and rim. But all the important stuff straight. This is the reason it can't be fixed. Tire dented there, and wow, that's part of the A-pillar in one of these. And the door, nothing fits right no more. So. But I don't care about that. I'm literally gonna cut that right like this. And then that panel's gonna sit there. So, yeah. I plan on keeping the heater box and everything. The whole floor and firewall of this Jeep. Entire powertrain. Just set this on there. And then, I'm not the biggest fan of the 56 front end. They're alright. Like, they look better on a panel. But I just so happen, since this doesn't match, I just may have something over here that does. Now, that era, my favorite front end, it's right there. Oh, look at the color it is even. So yeah, that's what mine is right now. That's a 56 as well. That's what I would want to convert it to. I just like the forehead. I don't know. There's something about that. And it's also a Fargo. Same color. It's like it's meant to be. Pretty sure it's the same color. Man, I don't know. Maybe it's not. Might not be the same. Ah, no, it's definitely the same. It's just the outside's faded differently. That has to be the same blue. Has to be. I don't know if they made two that close. That's gotta be the same as that panel. Yeah, it must be the same. So anyways, if it is the same, these front clips, as far as I know, are interchangeable. Just have a quick little look-ski here since I conveniently have two side by side. So that drip rail's the same. Looks like you're just gonna have to make spots for the hood hinge to bolt in. And basically the difference, inner fenders are different. Sure, I can make that work though. Looks like the firewall's the same. Yeah, it looks the same to me. The door's the same. Yeah, that's gonna happen. It's just gotta happen. Yeah, we're just gonna have to do it, aren't we? You know, it's a real shame to tear apart a truck like this. but it's for the greater good. Look at that fender's rusty anyways. And also this truck, it needs a lot of stuff. It's kind of a parts truck, so a lot of weird stuff stolen from it. It's almost impossible to replace. But I can also very easily just take the panels front end and put it back on there, so that's still a complete truck too. Don't worry, it's fine. What a sweet truck this is. But yeah, definitely taking this clip. Sorry, it's gotta happen. The Hemi panel is gonna be touch cooler than you, I'm sorry. I might have to take the side chrome then too. It's got the fender trim. I might have to put this piece on it. Oh, it's missing on the other side though, I think. Yeah, it is. Is it inside? For some reason I thought there was some chrome in here. No? Oh, there's a full Caker steak can. I swore there's that piece of chrome was in here, but maybe not. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's behind the seat. Oh. Yeah, there's the back of the cab's rotten. That's not good. That's not good. Ooh. Oh, that's bad too. Huh. I don't know. It's got a good front bumper too. Yeah. It's gotta happen. I'm sorry, Chuck. I'm gonna scalp some stuff from you. Oh, look at that. Oh, my Leatherman. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh my God, I'm so happy. I was so mad I lost this. This is my grandfather's Leatherman. Well, it's not an actual Leatherman. It's a Winchester brand, but it's nothing fancy, but it was Grandpa's. Oh, I'm so happy. I was just about to order another one. Yes. Oh, hey. It's probably a good coil. Oh, it's a Delco? Yeah, that's probably good. Throw it up there. This is for hydraulic hoses. Yeah, this is definitely the same color as the panel. It like freaking has to be. It has to be. Oh, I'm so pumped I found that. Yes. Oh. Yeah, so, well, that's a real rare, odd piece of chrome that I'm lucky was there. Sweet. I'm gonna take that. Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna have to happen. It's gonna have to happen. Can't find any of the brake parts for this either. There's just not many of them around. Pat, are you digging holes? What are you doing? You shouldn't be digging. Don't be digging. Hey. Hey, look at that. Look at that. That's bad. That's bad. You don't try and sit and cover it up. Well, damn it, is it the same color? I keep changing my mind. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna stop and take pictures of each one. Well, I actually don't think they're the same. Maybe just the tiniest bit different, but that's a shame. Well, see, you can start seeing the top of the letters here. Bread. I'm gonna have to sand that, find that. But look at how nice the roof is on this thing. It's incredible. The only real damage is this back door's dented. And that's basically the only rust. The rest is good. And this rare stuff is mint. That's there. The town panel badges are here. And these are super hard to find. Those not so much, but these side ones, I think they were only on half tons and panels. Oh, I can smell the paint. Paul's paint. Stuff smells good. Yeah. Dang, I think it is a different color, I swear. Yeah, this is more of a turquoise. Oh well. Gonna have to try our hand at patina matching, I guess. Yeah. I guess. Next episode, can start hacking into this thing. See what we can do. Anyways, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the upcoming progress on this unit. First, of course, we're going to try and bust it free and get that motor running, but until then, oh, actually, I'm going to take this home. I can find a better one. My good 318 at home in my power wagon. And then an oil cap. What's up? Can you keep them over there for a minute? Yeah. They're just running by the truck and making dust. Oh. Not good for any paint. I can smell the paint. Yeah, well. Come here. Come here, guys. Let's go. Well, that's gonna do it. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you want to see some carnage with this sweet unit. Man, look at how cool that thing is. I'm just pumped about it. Panel's so neat. So neat. Well, hey, Patty. Well, okay. Well, this wasn't showing up at all. Well, we should look at the other side. Show what's there. We know there's a logo in there.
Hi, Cyrus. So it was a bread truck at one time.
Yeah. Gordon's Bread.
Winnipeg. We're thinking Saskatoon.
Yeah. Should almost actually.
Oh yeah. There's something coming through.
There's a letter coming through there.
If it's an A, that's
It's looking like an A.
Saskatchewan. Yeah, it looks like an A. But it might.
That might be a 7. Is that a letter?
It looks like, oh, it could be an 8.
No, that's definitely an S.
Yeah. Maybe it's it's an uppercase A.
Oh, yeah.
Because this is all,
It is an A.
so yeah, it's probably Saskatoon.
Hard to say.
Slowly coming though.
It's a T.
T. Winnipeg Street, maybe?
Winnipeg Street. Wonder if there's a Winnipeg Street in Saskatoon. Because they told me this was from Saskatchewan. They didn't say Winnipeg. It said Saskatoon. Or Regina.
Well, and I
Look up
wonder.
if there's a Winnipeg Street in Regina. So it's definitely an ST and then it ends. So that would make sense. That's gonna.
Yep, City of Regina, Winnipeg Street Overpass Project.
Okay. There we go.
Nice.
So it is from Regina, like I said. It just threw us off when we seen Winnipeg. But Winnipeg Street makes sense.
Yeah.
Well, let's see if we can find the board and spread here on the other side. Starting. Oh, you can see the D now on the. You can see the D a little bit.
Oh yeah, and the R.
I don't want to take too much off.
Crazy.
Pretty neat.
You can see the bottom line.
Yeah.
It's gonna take some work, but I think it'll come through.
Yeah.
Because you can see.
Yeah, you can see the blue
Greens,
starting to come
yeah.
on. At least we know what the letters are.
That's true.
That helps a lot. Somebody did the hard stuff on the other side.
That's what I was just thinking. Why would you do
It's
that?
probably 50 years ago.
Right?
But it didn't matter. Nobody thought old signage was cool.
Well, this is just another used vehicle that was purchased. Be like us buying like a 2010 or something, not caring.
It's coming. That's top of the S.
Yeah.
Well, maybe they're not that close on that side though.
Hmm.
Well, anyways, that's what we started with.
We'll continue
We'll
and
continue and see what we find. There. Just dead battery. Or bad connections. That sounds awesome. Yeah. I'll get old. Low brake fluid, huh? Even tells you that. These fancy contraptions. Just let it run for a bit. Well, there. All the Jeep suspension's fixed. Good to go. Even had matching spare rim. I think Jeeps must just all do that. I know even our 95 had a matching mag wheel. Cause yeah, this one ain't much left of this wheel. So there, I got a matching set. It's nice. Who knows? They might stay on there. So I can find some mags. Yeah. Everything's measuring up real good. So we got some of the letter coming out. Finding most of it. It's pretty cool. We looked this up. And Borden's Bread is still in business. Started in 1923, I think. Yeah, and they're on Winnipeg Street in Regina, Saskatchewan. Pretty cool. So, yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. Next episode, we're gonna try put these two together. See how that works. But I'm sure it'll be fine. Sure, it'll work just fine. Be real easy. Yeah. Well, I just couldn't just help myself. Had to bring the 60 over just to compare. I think you can swap the clips across. A few little things to modify, but I think it's doable. Boy, do I like that 60 front end way better. 56 is okay, but kind of a buggy look. I don't know. And the wing hood, I don't know. I guess it won't be bad to work on stuff. I don't know. I just think that would be much better. I'm gonna have a little bit more room with this hood, or with this front clip too. I think that was one of the things they changed them for. Just put the V8s in them. I think they're longer. I'm gonna measure right now. But yeah, that's where we're at. See from firewall to rad sport. $32. Yeah, see 32 to where they have the rad mounted, but you got 37 inches realistically. So that's quite a bit more room under this hood. That Hemi will fit in here with all the stuff, but it'll just fit better in here. So I really need to find another one of these 60 half tons. I guess it could be a 58 or 59 because I have another 60 grill. It's in really good shape, but it's on a big truck. It's a 3-ton or something. So it has the big fenders. But just need to find a set of half-ton fenders. I really don't want to take this truck apart. I could just swap. Make that look like a 56, I guess. That's possible. Oh well. Well, have to tune in to see what I do. What I come up with. As always, thanks for watching. And please subscribe. Yeah, you know, 3 Fargos all together. How many Fargos do I have? There's 2 more over there. Is that it? I think so. Do I have it at home? I don't know. Well, that's a success. Jeep is mobile again. Ready to be cut up for that thing.